Welcome to the video from the Arch of Hadrian in Athens, Greece. Today we're gonna have a small tour around Athens center. It's currently 96 degrees Fahrenheit or 36 Celsius. It's pretty hot. It's the middle of July. Today is 21 of July 2025 and it's pretty hot. But I decided to make this small walk to the center and show you a little bit of Athens around. So I'm gonna walk through the Greek Parliament, a little bit of Plaka, a little bit of Ermou. I'm gonna show you the main stores. It's gonna be like just simple walk and show a little bit of Athens. So join me in this journey. Usually traffic is crazy in the center, and Athens is getting better and better. They try to rebuild stuff, repair stuff, as you can see here, and it's a good thing that's happening in Athens now. A little construction. It's a lovely park here in near Sindagma, near the Parliament. You can actually come and read a book or just be in the shadow. Make sure you're hydrated. Third effort of Athens antiquities: Roman bath. So there's a law in Greece that you are not allowed to excavate by yourself without a permission. You're allowed only to excavate 10 centimeters. If you do more, you need to involve the authorities and get permission. And if they found out that you did excavate without a permission, you can get a big fine and even jail time. And it's around all Greece, not only Athens. Here's a nice place. You can sit on the bench, read a book or an ebook, or just have a snack or a cold frozen espresso. It's very nice. And those trees are helpful for the shadow. Let's go from this way. This is the sound of Greece. I love it. So you can have a bench over here, over there as well. So if you want to come and relax, you can do so in the center. And this is the beauty of Athens, that some areas will be with graffiti and you're gonna be like feeling a little bit uncomfortable, but some areas are actually very, very nice, like this, like Plaka and other areas as well. So Nice place here. So we're coming towards the Greek Parliament, and we will see the soldiers that they are the guards of the Parliament. It's a Greek tradition. Every hour they change them. This is the Greek Parliament. I'm surprised it's empty today. So the soldiers are inside the small like building because it's too hot, and you can see the soldier giving them water because they can get dehydrated very quickly. I don't want to get any closer because there's a line. So every hour, for example, like 12:00, they do change the guards because it's very tiring to stand, and as you can see, they didn't allow them to enter. So I was saying that every hour, 12:00, 1:00, like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, you can come and see the ceremony. And on Sunday, if I'm not mistaken, at 11:45, if you come, there is a big ceremony. I will write it down on the screen. So yeah, basically every hour, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, they do change the guards because they cannot stay like this on the sun. And no matter what, if it's snowing, raining, or it's hot, as it's hot right now, they do stand here, and it's a pretty amazing job they're doing. It's unique. Beautiful Greek Parliament. And if I'm not mistaken, there was a train crash 2 years ago in Tebby, a place called Tebby. So those are the names of all the students that died in that crash. Yeah, as you can see, it's the names of the students. I don't remember the amount of people died in that crash, but it looks like at least 40, maybe more. Tragic accident. So we're going to Sindagma Sqaure. It's one of the 3 squares, general squares in Athens. We have Sindagma Sqaure, and we have Monastiraki Square and the Monia Square. I wouldn't say that it's busy for July. I think that everyone is on the islands, and it's gonna get busy in August and September. So this is the park, kind of park in Sindagma Sqaure. To be honest, I thought it's gonna be very hot, but assuming it's not 7 o'clock in the afternoon, it's not bad. Some corn. As I said, all the shoppings, everything is in Ermou, and even if you go to Cyprus, Lefkosia for example, which is another country but they still speak Greek, it's also called Ermou. Ermou usually is the main street in some big cities, even small cities. If you want to take a cab, use Uber. If you're from the States or Canada, just use your Uber app. It's decent. And if you want a little bit of local app, a little bit cheaper, it's called Free Now. It's a European app. But if you're from the States or Canada or Australia and you have Uber, just stick to Uber. It's a little bit more expensive, just a little bit, but it's convenient because you already have an account and you have your cars there, and it's convenient for you to just like open the internet on your phone, open the app, and get yourself a ride. But also don't forget that we have a nice metro. Like, it's air conditioned, it's clean, and it's working. Sometimes, of course, we have strikes, but it doesn't happen that often. But it's only €1.20 for 90 minutes. I would consider taking a metro if you want to get somewhere that is in the metro section area, within the reach of the metro. So this place here, it's called Thanasis Kebab. It's a very old place and it has very, very nice kebab. So if you're around, if you're on Monastiraki Square, I would recommend you to check Thanasis out. It's very popular. And we are near the Monastiraki Square. It's one of the main squares. People usually meet up here. All the tourists start here. Everything starts in Monastiraki, and it has an amazing view of Acropolis. You're gonna see in a minute. This is the square. A lot of nice rooftops. This is a 360 rooftop. That's A for Athens, MS Roof Garden. There is another one called Hyper over there up. Over there you can see Acropolis, and you can see how busy this place is. So this is Monastiraki Square. Let's go to Theseo. This is the metro station. If you want to get in, it's one of the entrances of the metro station, but for some reason it says here caution falling objects. Oops. So something happened and it's not safe. Some souvenirs from Greece, some funny souvenirs from Greece. Some cafeterias here. You see they have this fans with water. It's very refreshing like this. Here you can see the Acropolis. Thank you for watching the video. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe. I will leave a video to an area in Athens center that you need to avoid. It's going to be right here. Like, dislike, or leave a comment. If you want me to show you something in Greece or in Athens, leave a comment, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.